40 English questions are waiting. Test your skills and prove yourself. Let's begin. Find the closest synonym of minute. Answer C. Moment. Which is a synonym of sturdy? Answer A. Strong. What does miss the boat mean? Answer C. Miss an opportunity. What does shake things up mean? Answer D. Make changes. Choose the antonym of enemy. Answer A. Friend. What is the antonym of influence? Answer D. Ignore. Choose the antonym of adduce. Answer A. Withhold. Choose the correct plural of series. Answer C. Series. What is the plural form of person? Answer D. People. Choose the correct plural of octopus. Answer B. Octopuses. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer C. I remember meeting him somewhere before. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer B. I don't know whom to ask for advice. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. The development of the plan required careful analysis. What is the past form of leap? Answer B. Leapt. Choose the past tense of output. Answer C. Output. Choose the correct spelling. Answer D. Freedom. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B. Literary. Pick the correct spelling. Answer C. Delegate. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A. Mediation. Which is a synonym of volatile? Answer B. Unstable. Pick a synonym of respectful. Answer A. Polite. Choose a synonym of extended. Answer D. Long. What does off your own bat mean? Answer B, independently. What does on the trot mean? Answer A, continuously. What does big deal mean? Answer D, something important. Choose the antonym of tight. Answer B, loose. Opposite of ensure. Answer C, neglect. Choose the correct plural of tooth. Answer A, teeth. What is the plural form of barracks? Answer D, barracks. Choose the correct plural of mackerel. Answer B, mackerel. Fill the gap. Answer C, they would have won if they had tried harder. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B, she must be sleeping now. It's very late. Fill the gap. Answer D, he didn't say anything during the meeting. Can you guess the missing word? Answer C, this task is harder than the previous one. What's the past tense of inlay? Answer D, inlaid. Choose the past form of hew. Answer B, hewed. Keep going. 4 questions to finish. Which spelling is correct? Answer C, pregnant. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A, accumulate. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C, departure. Which spelling is correct? Answer D, valuable. Congratulations! You made it! What's your final score? Comment your score and subscribe.